Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Web Coding. My name is Durgesh Sahani. In this episode, we are building the Categories API for our e-commerce admin panel. Here is the quick plan. Create the category controller, add the 5 CRUD methods, register the API resource route, and test saved requests from a Postman collection. These are the endpoints and commands we need. I also prepared a Postman collection file, so testing will be fast and reliable. Now let us generate the category API controller with Artisan. Now we add the category model import at the top of the controller. Next, we will add the category methods inside the generated controller. The index method will return all categories for the admin panel. Here we use the category model and get the latest categories first. Then we return those categories as JSON data. The store method will handle category creation. Before saving, we validate the name, slug, description, and status fields. After validation passes, we create the category using mass assignment. Finally, we return a success message, the created category, and status code 201. The show method receives one category from root model binding. For show, we only need to return that category as JSON. The update method is similar to store, but it works with an existing category. The slug still needs to be unique, but we ignore the current category ID. Now we update the category with the validated data. Then we return the updated category in the response. The destroy method will delete one category. Laravel gives us the category, so we call delete on the model. After deleting, we return a simple success message. Next, we open the API routes file and import the category controller. The API resource route creates the standard REST endpoints for category Crud. Let us list the API routes and confirm Laravel registered the category endpoints. Now we start the Laravel development server, then switch to Postman for real API testing. In Postman, we open the saved create category request. It already has the post method, URL, headers, and JSON payload, so now we only click send. The response confirms that Laravel created the category and returned the new record as JSON. Next, we open the saved list, categories request, and click send to fetch all categories. The list response now includes the category we just created. Now we open the saved update category request. It uses the put method, and the URL and JSON payload are already prepared, so we send it and check the response. The update response confirms that the category data changed successfully. Finally, we open the Save Delete category request and click Send to remove the category. The delete response confirms that the category was removed successfully. In this episode, we built category CRUD with validation, JSON responses, routes, and Postman API testing. In the next episode, we will build the product's REST API with image upload and connect products with categories. That is it for this video. Once the category API is working, the rest of the admin panel starts becoming much easier to build.